What's up, guys? Welcome to my crib.
MTV Cribs.
You look over here. I got all my camera equipment. And this.
Wait, are you a YouTuber?
I am.
Oh my god, is that
TV.
Miggy?
This is where the magic doesn't happen.
That's so funny. And he lives in number 13, lucky number 13.
My own room.
Yeah, so tonight, guys, we are making some s'mores. It is my first time making s'mores the proper way, not the English way of getting chocolate digestive biscuits and roasting a marshmallow and putting it in between. So he's gonna make proper s'mores
American
with me.
s'mores.
We have a campfire, everyone's there.
Play some music.
So come along and make my first ever s'mores. Bye! What the fuck is going on?
Touch it? Feel if it's like a fluffy? So? No. Okay.
Burn, baby, burn.
You want me to help you?
I got it.
Okay, I don't want you to burn
I think
yourself.
I can roast the marshmallow.
It's our first time ever doing this.
This is my first ever American. It's starting to go.
Touch it? Is it gooey?
What? Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's perfect.
Okay, so put it on top
And then
and then leave it there like that. And then just no, flip that. Hold the stick and you're set.
hey!
Take a bite.
Oh my
yeah,
God.
right there. Careful, it might burn. It's gonna ooze, it's gonna ooze, it's gonna get sloppy, but it's okay. Yay! Good job.
It's so good.
It's so good.
First s'more. Oh, we haven't eaten any s'mores. You haven't? No. Is this your first s'more? No. No, yours, you're an expert. But yours, Sonia? Yes. This is a big stick. Jeez. Do you think I'll go home? What's up, guys? It's been 3 whole weeks since I got here and I can't believe how quickly it's gone. Last night I went to this place. It was called Villa de Anfiteatro, I think. I'll put it on the screen and I'll put the link down below. If you guys are in Costa Rica, check it out. It was a really fun night. We went at about 3 o'clock and it was like a bunch of caves that were man-made. It was like an old mining place that this guy had bought and made into an attraction, basically. And there was like 2 tours. Like I'll put all the footage in now. But it was like a bunch of caves. And then we sat and we watched the sunset with a cocktail and some food. The food was so good and the waiter was really good. Our waiter, Christopher, shout out to him because he was amazing. He was our photographer, he was our waiter, he was amazing. So we did that last night. Today was my last day at work, so my last day in the clinic. It's now like 7 o'clock, I think, so I have to go back in 2 hours to just feed the babies and put them to bed. So I'm really gonna miss doing it. Like, I've been working so hard here. Like, it's been amazing. The work that goes into this place is really good. I'm gonna do some fundraising when I'm home. and I'm going to raise some money for this place because the work they do is amazing. They're really dedicated to the animals. So if any of you guys want to donate to them, I'll put their link down below as well. And also, if anyone wants to come out here and do what I've been doing, then go ahead, like, come here, help the animals. Like, you don't have to, like, be wanting to work with animals. If you just want a break from your everyday job and want to come to Costa Rica for a couple of weeks or even just a week, like, do it. It's so much fun. It's so rewarding. The people you meet are amazing. And I've been 3 weeks on the vet team. There's an animal team as well, a construction team. It's so much fun. But I'm really going to miss it. I've been waking up at 12 and at 3 in the morning to feed the babies. We have a baby squirrel called Stuart. I'm going to insert a picture because he's so cute. And I'm really going to miss him because he got here kind of the same time as me. So we were in it together, you know? So yeah, tonight, I think I'm probably going to get thrown in the pool in a minute. If not tonight, probably tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'm going to a theme park with my roommates and whoever else wants to come. I just said to, like, the whole rescue, anyone who's got the day off, come to the theme park with us because it's my last, like, day at the sanctuary and I want to do something fun. And honestly, everyone here is so nice. I know I keep saying it, but I've never met a more genuine group of people, and I think I've been so lucky to have such a nice room. I mean, it looks a bit like a shit tip at the moment. I mean, look at all our stuff everywhere. And I moved beds. I'm now on the bottom one because I was waking up at 3 in the morning and having to climb down that ladder of hell. So I'm now on the bottom bunk, and it's so much nicer down here. We can have little chats through the bars. But tonight's food was really good as well. We had ravioli, so the food's gotten a whole lot better because it took some getting used to. I don't know what else to really tell you guys. Continue watching because I'm going to put the rest of the clips from last night in now. So this is my ex-boyfriend, guys.
I'm gonna whack the cat.
Here she goes. Dinner time. Oh my god, that's weird. Yeah, you have to stand next to him and do exactly the same.
It's gonna give you a good luck to find
If I stand there, will I get spanked? Asking for a friend. I'm sorry guys, you can't take me anywhere. We made it! Go on! We should be brothers. To friends, cheers!
Titanic is an area. It's called down. It's gonna go up.
Oh, cool.
If you want to go down and touch the water, just be careful.
This is
cool. Touch the water. It's pure water. So it's crystalline, as you can see it. You like to swim in.
Oh my goodness.
You would like to swim inside.
That's
like-
stuff in that.
That's
Starts
cool, isn't it?
here.
Just be careful with the
How
crocodile.
clear.
That's cool. There's all water.
So clear.
Okay. Who's got the best face? Who's got the good face? That's really good. They're twins. This looks like the night of the museum. Dum dum, you give me gum gum. We made it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. All my socials are down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!